Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sacket headphones, focusing on the primary and most reliable method. First, ensure your headphones have sufficient charge. Locate the power button, usually found on the right ear cup. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the LED indicator light turn on. This confirms your headphones are now powered up and ready for the next step. Once your headphones are powered on, continue holding that same power button for an additional 2 to 3 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light will start flashing rapidly, often alternating between blue and red. This distinct pattern signifies that your Sacket headphones have successfully entered pairing mode. They are now actively searching for a device to connect with, making them discoverable. Now, turn your attention to the device you wish to connect, such as your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. You should see a list of available devices. Look for and select Sacket headphones from this list. Your device will then attempt to establish a connection, which usually takes just a few moments. Upon a successful connection, the LED indicator light on your Sacket headphones will typically change to a solid blue or begin flashing slowly. You might also hear a confirmation tone or a voice prompt directly through the headphones. If you encounter any issues, ensure both devices are within a close range, ideally within 10 meters, and simply repeat these straightforward steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.